Hello guys and welcome to our channel DHC New Homes. Today we are diving in the world of luxury living with exclusive look at Sunteck City, Avenue 4 in Goregaon West, Mumbai. I'm your host Smita and we are about to explore the epitome of upscale living brought to you by Sunteck Realty Limited. So Sunteck City 4th Avenue is not just a residential project, it's a lifestyle statement. As we step inside the living room, then you will be noticing this beautifully designed kitchen, which is seamless blend of style and functionality. With its sleek, modern design and high quality finishes, this kitchen is an every chef's dream. With plenty of cabinets and drawers, you will have no shortage of space to store your cookware, utensils and any pantry items. Plus, with its cleverly designed storage solutions, everything will be neatly organized and easily accessible. Now let's move on to the living space of the house. As we move forward, you will immediately notice the attention to the detail and the luxurious finishes that define Sunteck City. To its expansive layout plus furnishing and floor-to-ceiling windows, this space is perfect for entertaining guests or simply relaxing with your loved ones. And check those panoramic views of the city skyline. They are simply breathtaking. Now, from this beautiful and designed living space, we will be showcasing the balcony area of the house. As you can see, the balcony area of the house at the left. Now we are moving towards the other portions of the house, and this is the bedroom of the house. The bedroom of the house is a sanctuary of comfort and tranquility, featuring plush carpeting, ample closet space and large windows that flood the room with natural light. Imagine waking up in the stunning views every morning. It's like a living in a dream. But this luxury doesn't end here. Sunteck offers an array of amenities catered to your everyday needs. Now let's look at the common powder area of the house. So this is a luxury with no expensive in providing resident with a lavishly designing and meticulously crafted washroom experience. From the sleek and modern facades to elegant shower heads and luxurious bathtubs, every detail has been carefully crafted. The other bedroom of the house, as you can see, and from this bedroom, you can see the panoramic views of the city skyline. Now let's move about the project. So Sunteck City 4th Avenue is located in Goregaon West and it is brought to you by Sunteck Realtors. It is built up on 23 acres of land with 45 story and the possession date is December 2023. They provide luxurious 2 and 3 bedroom homes with balcony options also, and for a 2 BHK with balcony, the square feet area is 866 and for a 3 BHK with balcony, it is 1088 square feet and the prices start from 2.75 CR and goes till 3.65 CR onward. They also provide non-balcony flats. Now if you talk about the location, then the JVLR is 3 minutes from the location with Infinity Mall around 12 minutes. Mumbai International Airport around 25 minutes, Ram Mandir Station around 2 minutes, Vibgyor High School around 7 minutes and Western Express Highway 5 minutes from the proposed location. So if you are interested in learning more and scheduling a visit, be sure to reach out on Sunteck Realty Limited and don't forget to subscribe to our channel DHC New Homes for more exclusive real estate tours like this one. Thank you for watching this video and take care of yourself.